Okay, so now let's figure out how to import our image properly. We need to do two things in order to make that happen. The first is that our images actually need to be on the server in the correct place where it would get uploaded to eventually if we were creating a piece of content using the add node form. So that's our first step, is that the files need to be there already. And the second is that as we import the content, we actually need to rewrite the file location to point to that file. So if we look at our CSV file right now, what it says is just the file name, squirting helicopter, for example. But we need this to be the path to the location of the file on the server. Now we can do that easily by adding public : / to the beginning of the file name, and that will simply route us to the location of our public file directory. Now we also need to add the subdirectory where these images are going to. So it would need to be public : / the name of the directory, and then our file. So let's go to our files directory and see what our subdirectory name is. So I'm going to jump over to the Drupal installation here. You can see our list of folders. Here's all of our modules that we've installed. Man, this is a lot so far. You've made a lot of progress. And I'm going to scroll down to giftofgeek.localhost, which is where our files folder is. We talked about why in a previous video, just in case you're curious. And then our product images are inside of this product-images folder. You see our airspeed velocity t-shirt image there. So this is where we need to put our images, and this subfolder is what we need to add to the public prefix when we're importing our content and rewriting that image path. Now I haven't talked about how we're going to rewrite that path yet, but we're going to do so using the feeds tamper module. First of all, let's copy over our images to the correct place. So I'm going to go to the resource pack directory and open up the product images folder. And I'm going to copy the helicopter, unicorn meat, and useless box images over to the folder. So I'm going to copy these and jump back over to our Drupal site and paste them into our product images folder. So I'm going to paste.